Guys, alam nyo ba na may place dito sa UAE kung saan makakakuha ka ng 100% cashback sa visa or sa travel services mo? Akala mo joke? Hindi. Totoo to. Kaya tara. Guys, sobrang stress na talaga ako kakaprocess ng family visa dito sa UAE. Iba't ibang requirements, iba't ibang presyo, nakakalito. But then, nakita ko ang Almanama Business Consultancy and Travels. Mas naging easy ang process. Guys, like family visa, attestations, insurance, flight tickets, travel services, at lahat ng UAE government services, mayroon sila dito sa Almanama. Dito pang pinakamaganda guys, this Eid season may 100% cashback sila na offer kung saan pwede kang manalo sa raffle draw. And guys, for business setup and government services, one winner out of 100 customers will get a 100% full cashback up to 1,500 dirhams. And for air tickets and travel packages, one winner out of 200 customers will get a full cashback up to 1,000 dirhams. Imagine guys, nagpag-process ka pa ng documents mo at biglang mababalik pa yung money mo. O diba, napakabongga talaga dito sa Almanama. You can avail this offer online or you can visit their branches in Ajman and in Dubai. And if you refer a friend, may extra coupons ka pa for more chances to win. At guys, huwag nyo itong papalampasin. Itong Eid special offer is valid from May 8 to August 8 lang. Kaya guys, kung may problema ka katulad ko, lumapit ka na dito sa Almanama Business Consultancy and Travels. O diba, pwede ka pang manalo. Huwag kang mag-alala, may iba't ibang installment payments sila dito katulad ng Tabi or Tamara.
Kaya guys, hurry! Call their toll-free number now! Plus, 20 years na sila in the industry, kaya trusted na talaga sila dito sa UAE. Kilala rin ng Almanama sa pag-a-assist ng hospital-related documents like birth certificates or family visa and other important papers. Kaya sure ka talagang legit and reliable.
At ayan guys, nasolusyon na yung problema ko at pwede pa akong manalo.